Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we talk about the high impact news events in the financial world that are coming at us very soon so we don't get caught off guard while we are trading. In today's video, we'll be discussing the dates of December 13th through December 16th, Wednesday through Saturday. There's a lot, so I will be using a cheat sheet. Let's get going. On Wednesday at 2 a.m. Eastern Time, we will have high impact news hitting us out of the UK, followed by news again at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, this time out of the US, and then again out of the US at 2 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. A little bit later on at 4:45 p.m. we'll have high impact news out of New Zealand, and then shutting us down on Wednesday, our last high impact release will hit us at 7:30 p.m. out of Australia. As we work our way into Thursday, we're going to have news early on at 3:30 and 4 a.m. Eastern Time out of Switzerland, then at 7 a.m. out of the UK, at 8:15 a.m. out of Europe in general, and then later on we've got 8:30 a.m. high impact news out of the US, as well as 8:45 back out of Europe, 8:45 a.m. that is, and then on the opposite end of the day at 9 p.m. we have high impact news coming at us out of China. I told you there were a lot. As we keep moving, we have Friday coming at us, where there's a bunch of flash manufacturing PMI going on, beginning at 3:15 a.m. Eastern Time out of France, and then at 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time out of Germany, and then a bit later on at 4:30 a.m. out of the UK. Then at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have high impact news hitting us out of the US, and then finally 9:45 and 12:25 p.m. sum up the rest of the releases. 12:25 p.m. out of Canada, 9:45 out of the US, and those are the last two ones on the block, and I'm glad to move on into the next one. See you in the next one. Good luck, happy trading, and I'll see you all very soon.